Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. So look guys, I get it. Thanksgiving is coming up and you're freaking out because you're like, I'm not sure what to do. Logan, I've been working so hard. You know, I'm gonna go to these Thanksgiving events, or I'm gonna go to a Thanksgiving dinner or Thanksgiving lunch and I'm gonna go crazy. Am I gonna get fat? I don't wanna get fat. First off, don't panic, Hispanic, everything's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna go over my game plan and a game plan that you can use so you don't overdo it on Thanksgiving. So if you're someone like me, all my family lives in the same town as me. So I gotta go to my mom's side, I gotta go to my dad's side, I gotta go to my wife's side, and then I gotta go to my wife's other side of the family, okay? So that's 4 Thanksgiving, guys. But normally we do about 3, so somebody always has to pay the price. I know, I'm sorry, just do my big ass Mexican family, that's just what happens. So I go to 3 different Thanksgivings, I know, but again, I am the exception. But let's just say you're gonna do 2 Thanksgivings, right? Because you're gonna have that Thanksgiving lunch and then you're gonna have that Thanksgiving dinner, okay? That's what most Americans are gonna do. So here's the game plan that you can use and I can use to make sure you don't overdo it and you don't make the dreaded mistake of just feeling like absolute crap Thanksgiving night. So what I'm gonna do is intermittent fast, okay? So my last meal before Thanksgiving is gonna happen somewhere around 8 or 7 o'clock at night, okay? So last meal, 7, 8 o'clock at night, and I'm not gonna eat until the following day at lunchtime, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, wherever that may be, whenever you have your Thanksgiving dinner, your Thanksgiving lunch, okay? Also, I plan on getting up that morning and doing some type of exercise, guys. So you guys know me, I'm really big on doing fasted cardio. For me personally, I've done it for so long, I just love it. I love to start my day off with it. But any type of exercise, you know, I don't care what that is, whether that's hiking, going for a jog, going for a walk, I don't care. Just do some type of exercise while you're intermittent fasting. So that way you're almost in the negative going into that Thanksgiving dinner, right? So you're not having a late bad meal the night before. You're not getting up first thing in the morning and having a big old keto coffee, a big old breakfast, and then you're gonna go have a big Thanksgiving, and then you're gonna have a big Thanksgiving dinner, and then you gotta have the apple pie, you gotta have the pecan pie. I mean, talk to me. Talk to me, all right? I'm already getting hungry as we speak. You don't wanna overdo it, guys. So that is my game plan going, is number 1, intermittent fasting, 16 hours minimum. I'm also gonna get up in that morning and do some type of exercise, okay? Burn as many calories as possible so I can get in that calorie deficit. Now, when it comes to the Thanksgiving basic foods, guys, I'm gonna eat it, okay? So I'm talking about the yams, I'm talking about the turkey, I'm talking about the mashed potatoes, I'm talking about the gravy, the green beans, whatever that may be, okay? I'm gonna eat that. I plan on eating that. And look, one thing that's very important about this game plan is mindset, okay? Mindset, guys. I was just like you, okay? I used to stress about Thanksgiving, stress out, freak out, guys, because I used to stress about, oh my gosh, what am I putting this? What am I putting that? Is it gonna knock me into ketosis? Oh my God, am I gonna get fat? Oh my God. And the last thing I was thinking about is family, making memories and spending time with loved ones, okay? So number 1, let me just get the elephant out of the room, okay? This Thanksgiving is gonna be completely different from the Thanksgivings you ever had, okay? We live in Texas. The beauty with Texas right now, we have beautiful weather, so we're gonna have Thanksgiving outside. So don't panic, Hispanic everybody. Okay, we're gonna be social distancing. So again, be safe for Thanksgiving. If you live in a state where, you know, it's absolutely mandate lockdown, unfortunately, you're not gonna be able to be with loved ones. Just be safe, Zoom call, do whatever you gotta do. But fortunately, us here in Texas, we got a lot of land. We're gonna be outside, so we're gonna be okay. That being said, I really wanna focus on the memories. I wanna focus on my time. I don't wanna be thinking about what am I eating? Like, oh my gosh, this is gonna knock me out of ketosis. Is this gonna make me fat? Just let me tell you, one day or 1 meal or even 2 meals is not going to make you fat. Will it slow down your progress? Sure, but it's not a big deal. Once you get back on track the following day, you get back into your normal schedule, back into your normal eating schedule, your fasting schedule, your workout schedule, it'll all balance out at the end of the week. And then you can keep pushing forward. Everything's gonna be okay. So I think that's one thing that's very important about this game plan, guys, is having that mindset. Don't stress over food. Don't stress about this. Don't stress about that. One day is not gonna ruin your months and months of progress, okay? So understand that. Let me repeat this one more time. One day, Thanksgiving is not gonna ruin your months and weeks or years of progress, okay? So now that we got that clear, let's move on to the next thing. Now, when it comes to desserts, I know desserts can get really crazy, okay? Like, my family goes off on desserts. I know there's gonna be Rice Krispie treats. I know there's gonna be yams with the marshmallows. I know there's gonna be pumpkin pie, pecan pie, ice cream. They're gonna have all this stuff, right? And that's fine. Will I have a little bit of it? Maybe, I'm not sure. But this is my game plan. So I actually plan on bringing alternate desserts. And what I mean by that is I plan on bringing like the keto-friendly ice cream. Since I'm already eating a lot of the foods that I normally don't eat, I don't wanna overdo it with desserts, okay? So I'm bringing my own keto-friendly, low-carb, whatever you want to call it, desserts, alternate desserts that are a little more healthier than your just traditional Thanksgiving desserts. And so that is my game plan going into this Thanksgiving holiday. I think the most important thing, guys, if you get out of this video is that, look, don't stress about it. It's all about spending time with your family. It's all about making memories, whether they're in the same room as you, whether they're on Zoom, whatever that may be. The last thing you want to be worrying about is, oh my gosh, what's in this food? Oh my God, what are the ingredients? Oh my gosh, this is gonna make me fat. Stop. That's not what you want, because that used to be me. And I don't remember anything from that Thanksgiving other than stressing about food. I don't remember the memories. I don't remember the conversations. And what you have to understand, guys, is for me, a lot of times, a lot of family members that I see on Thanksgiving, I only see once a year is on Thanksgiving. So I want my whole focus to be on them, talking to them, communicating with them, making memories, sharing stories when we were kids. I don't want to be thinking about food. So that's my game plan. I think it's a pretty simple game plan that anybody can follow. And I think it's definitely bulletproof and it can definitely help you. It's a great game plan and going into Thanksgiving in a deficit, almost in a positive deficit, so you don't overdo it. So let's quickly recap. Intermittent fasting, last meal is gonna happen around 7, 8 o'clock the night before. You're not gonna have the next meal until at the earliest lunchtime, okay? If you wanna go later, that's totally okay. The more hours that you can fast before your Thanksgiving, the better. Also, you're gonna get up early that morning and you're gonna do some type of exercise, okay? We wanna be in a calorie deficit going into Thanksgiving. And then once Thanksgiving starts, eat the food, do whatever you want, have fun, make memories, and then when it comes to desserts, bring your own alternate desserts and everything should work out just fine. It's almost like a damage control game plan, right? So the following day, you're not gonna feel miserable and you'll be right back on track. You're not gonna step on that scale and be like, oh my gosh, I'm 20 pounds heavier. Like, no, it's not gonna happen. And if that was, it's mostly just water. So anyways, guys, I hope this game plan did help you out. And I hope that all of you have an awesome, awesome Thanksgiving, whether you're spending it with your family or doing it online or you're just doing it in your household, whatever that may be. I love you guys. Stay safe. Have an awesome Thanksgiving and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.